Hello, I'm Hüseyin. I'm from Turkey. I will introduce a very beneficial flashcard program called Ankidroid, and I want to describe how it can be used and how it can be installed to your smartphones. Let's begin. Firstly, you can download the application from Google Play Store by using your mobile phones. After the installation, you should complete the settings of the application like this: general settings, advanced settings. You can choose your system language. And then you can create a new deck or download a new deck from shared decks. You can choose whatever you want to add your deck. Popular categories: art, science, Arabic, Chinese, English, French, German, biology, chemistry, geography. Or you can search for your interest topic and download from there. There are a lot of topics. If you want to create a card yourself, you need to click the Add New Card button and write the front and back of the card yourself. Or copy it from somewhere like digital or online dictionaries. Like this. After the process, it can be ready for using. You can choose system language or another one. The number of words to be studied daily can be determined by the user. Let's start the study. First, guess the correct answer, the card, and then click the button to see the answer. According to your answer, select the time interval. Then the new card appears. It's very simple to use. You can also see your statistical data, overview, guessing, number of studies, study time, intervals, answer buttons, card types. That's all. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. See you again. Goodbye.